Hey everyone, welcome back to the My Technological World, your own YouTube tech channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most unique Huawei Pura 80 Ultra, a phone that's not just powerful, but a complete innovation package. From its sleek design to its mind-blowing camera system and ultra-fast charging, this flagship is made for people who want the very best from their smartphone. So, let's dive into everything that makes the Pura 80 Ultra stand out. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning 6.8-inch OLED display with smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and incredible brightness. Whether you're outdoors in sunlight or indoors watching videos, the colors stay vivid and sharp. Its curved design feels premium in the hand, while the phone also carries IP68 and IP69 protection, making it resistant to water, dust, and accidental drops. Performance and battery capacity of Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. Under the hood, the Pura 80 Ultra runs on Huawei's advanced Kirin chipset with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. Multitasking gaming or heavy apps, everything runs effortlessly. And powering it all is a massive 5,000 plus mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging and 80-watt wireless charging, giving you hours of use with just a few minutes of charge. Now, if we're talking about Huawei Pura 80 Ultra camera powerhouse, now the real showstopper, the camera. The Pura 80 Ultra features a 50-megapixel 1-inch main sensor with a variable aperture for stunning low-light shots and beautiful natural depth. It's paired with a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera, perfect for landscapes and group photos. But what makes it unique is the dual telephoto system, giving you both 3.7x and 9.4x optical zoom, powered by a switchable periscope lens. This means you get sharp, detailed zoom shots without losing quality. Add to that Huawei's color-accurate ultra chroma technology, and you're looking at one of the most advanced smartphone cameras in the world. On the front, a 13-megapixel selfie camera delivers crisp photos and 4K video, perfect for vloggers and video calls. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is not just a phone, it's a complete creative tool for photography, productivity, and everyday use. With its premium design, powerful performance, and unmatched camera system, it's ready to take on any challenge. The back of the device is designed like a professional camera system packed inside a smartphone. At its heart lies a large primary sensor with a variable aperture, giving you flexibility to shoot bright, clear photos in daylight and equally sharp images in low light. This sensor captures incredible detail and natural colors, making every shot look cinematic. Alongside it, there's a high-resolution ultra-wide lens that opens the frame for landscapes, architecture, and group photos without distortion. It brings a sense of space and depth to your pictures, letting you tell bigger stories in a single shot. So everyone, this is the fresh news about new Chinese flagship Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Peace out.